Good morning, everybody. I have some very exciting news when it comes to the possible new shop, and it's that the seller accepted our offer. So super pumped. It just made my day. Now starts the journey of financing and how, like, what we're looking at. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break down in other videos. We're gonna just make a whole playlist of what I'm doing, how I'm trying to do it, so that if you ever wanted to buy your own dream shop or a farm, because I'm gonna have to turn it into a farm, it's gonna be a playlist. So excited. This is great news, huge news for the channel. Make sure you follow along, double check, make sure you're subscribed with that little bell clicky thingy for notifications. This is great. If you want to help support the channel, just a simple like or a comment on this video. If you don't want to buy a t-shirt, if you want to buy a t-shirt, there's t-shirts. Also, we're gonna sell wall space. I'm still trying to figure out what that looks like. We might do a Kickstarter, but we're gonna sell wall space in the new shop. So if you want your name up on the shop wall, or your tag or your handle, you want to have a piece of the pie and kind of join the Good Morning Mechanic team officially up on the wall, we're gonna do that too. I don't know. I have no clue what that's gonna look like, but it's gonna be epic. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being part of this team and just following us in our journey. Things are just looking so up. So great. So thank you for watching. As always, have a good morning.